Welcome back everyone. Here's another unboxing video from Selkirk. I received a box here with some paddles. We'll have a look at it right now. Okay, let's unbox and see. So first of all, I got my personal paddle. This is the new Project Lab 008. And that's a tag. It comes with a beautiful red cover with labs engraved in it. Let's open and see what is inside. Look at this beautiful paddle. Anyway, thanks to Selkirk for sending this beautiful paddle, Project 008. And this is the tour shape. So you'll see that the handle is very long, longer compared to the Invicta shape. And look at the surface. This will generate a lot of spin and you can control the ball well. Let's see what is in that red pouch. It's a metal card that shows that it's genuine. It's written Project 008. It shows the weight of the paddle. It's 7.8 ounce. You could add weights to that if you want. So that's it. That comes with the red pouch. Okay, let's keep this aside and see what else in the box. Now, here's another demo paddle. This is Project 008, but in Invicta shape. Now this is most commonly used shape, and this is for you guys. So if you are in Michigan area, let me know. Feel free to test. And the surface is T700 raw carbon fiber surface, which generate a lot of spin and control. It feels good. Okay, let's see the next paddle. Here I got another paddle which is tour shape. Again, this is a demo paddle, so if you are in Michigan area, feel free to test this. Now this tour shape is fairly new. As you know, Selkirk is getting rid of the S2 shape. This tour shape has a very long handle, so if you are a double-handed player, then this is for you. It has a nice feel to it, weight to it, amazing. So let's compare this to the Invicta shape. Both are exactly the same length, but there is minor difference. Like I mentioned, the handle is longer in tour shape, but the surface area it's more in Invicta. This is 13 mm, and look at the end there. Invicta is more flat and tour is more rounded at the end, at the edge. And the lengthwise is exactly the same. And here you see that Invicta has longer face because of the shorter handle. So that's the main difference between these two. It should play exactly the same way. I'm hoping. I'm gonna test this soon. So here are some photos. So feel free to contact me to demo these. Now I have discount code. Message me and we can have a demo of this, and then I'll give you the discount code so that when you buy anything from Selkirk Labs or selkirk.com, you'll get some store credit. So feel free to message me and let's meet up. And thank you for watching and enjoy these photographs.